Hello students, the topic for the day is articles. These are very simple 3 words which make a huge difference in our day-to-day life and in our grammatical mistakes as well. Moving on, these articles are adjectives which help you place the position of a noun or another adjective. These are basically demonstrative adjectives. Okay, now they are very simple words, as I already told you, which cause a lot of problems if used incorrectly. For example, you wanted someone to hand you the book but you accidentally said a book. Here the person might take some time in evaluating which book are you talking about. But when you mention a definite thing, say the book, then the person gets to know that the book lying on the table needs to be handed over to him. For example, when we talk about dinner, it is an evening meal, but when we add the adjective a to it, it becomes a specific evening meal, a dinner for tonight. But when we put the word the in front of it, pull up the adjective the, then it becomes a specific evening meal which was held for some kind of an event. Now these demonstrative adjectives are of 2 types. One is definite, the other one is indefinite. Definite is a and an, indefinite is the. Now, let's elaborate the difference between definite and indefinite articles with the help of these examples. See this example. After the long day, the cup of tea tastes particularly good. Now here the article has been used, the long day, the cup of tea. Now by using this, we have shown it is a specific day which is a long day, and it is a specific cup of tea which tastes better and helps you removing your exhaustion. Moving on further, the next example, here we are using a long day and a cup of tea that tastes particularly good. Now by using a, we have created a general statement saying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long day. Here we have not made anything very specific. So this is how we elaborate the difference between the and a.